The blank is followed by totally is to be filled with the choice gives the visualization of the whole passage. Moreover, we can get hinted with prediction from the first line given as Shane did not do the accident intentionally. Felicious and fortunate given as choice B and choice D. Both mean pleasing and fortunate or lucky, which is opposite in meaning with respect to the prediction as it was unintentional. So we can eliminate choice B and D. Stupendous as choice E means excessively impressive, which is totally irrelevant and absurd with respect to an accident and the passage to make sense. So choice E is also eliminated. Now, in a spatial sense, inevitable as choice C may relevant to fit the blank if the car was having trouble accelerating and the brake failed. But it is so clear that it was the people who were unconscious while passing or crossing the road. If they would be conscious enough, then the accident was not happened. So choice C is also eliminated. Inadvertent given as choice A means unintentional, so choice A meets the prediction to make sense with respect to the passage and Shane's condition. So we can say that the correct answer is choice A.